Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the former 3 times Prime Minister of India, said, "We can change our history, but we cannot change our geography. We can choose our friends, but we cannot choose our neighbors." Quite relevant in the case of Russia Ukraine crisis, right? Welcome, friends, to the most important session of current affairs with me, Yagyasani Patra. In this session, I'll be discussing with you first the answers of yesterday's current affair quiz, and then I'll be giving you the most important 10 current affairs questions of today. Jahar answers upon comment section re debe, and then I will be discussing the answers with you in the next question. And this session of current affairs, guys, is going to build your foundation of current affairs like anything. It is going to be very immensely helpful for any examination that you are going to give, ASO, UPSC, OPSC, and all your target examinations. So let us start without any further ado. First question was CAPEX loan. CAPEX loan is the abbreviation of capital expenditure. So एथिरे यूनियन गवर्नमेंट स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को किसी लोन एडवांस करे थांती एथिरे 0% इंटरेस्ट रेट थाए मो क्वेश्चन थिला केते वर्ष पर्यंत ए लोन रही छे सो द टेन्योर ऑफ द लोन इज 50 years. नाउ यू माइट थिंक 50 years पर्यंत लोन 0% इंटरेस्ट रेट रे ए जिंस पई ही याको क्रिटिसाइज भी करा जाउची एज यू नो गाइस जदि कोनोसी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट यूनियन गवर्नमेंट रो लोन नेउची ताले until and unless it repays that loan, it cannot take loan from any other third party without the permission of the union government. For example, if Odisha has taken loan from the union government, simultaneously alga konosi bank ru ya financial entity ru loan naba purburu union government ro prior approval ro darkar padibo. So does it mean ki 50 years parjanto kichi changul re rakha jauche ya federalism upre kichi problem ta nahi? This is the thing being discussed right now. Second question was about SEPA. What is SEPA? My question was, एमती को कंट्री संग्रे इंडिया SEPA agreement sign करे छे, in which digital trade e-commerce has been used for the first time. So the country is UAE, United Arab Emirates. SEPA stands for Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, and as you know guys, India रो free trade agreement बहुत गुड़ा को country संग्रे आग्रो रही छे, Japan, ASEAN countries. However, India रो export सेते एठी नहीं, जति कि India रो import अछि. That means India is actually acting as a market for these all countries. Our export is not getting increased, so we do not have any significant benefit here. But in the case of UAE, the service sector as well as the digital trade, the e-commerce are being given a boost. So that means India रो जो service and products अच्छे तारो competitiveness बढ़िबो, and ये पूरा agreement 80 to 90 days भीतर है. So that means when India is embarking on the more free trade agreement with developed countries like UK, Canada, European Union, तो से भी faster है पारिबो. Just God forbid war stop है जाओ. So that is about your SEPA agreement with UAE. It is a very powerful agreement, and RCEP ru India जो exit करे थिले, you know the reasons why in 2019 India exited from RCEP. Service sector रो inclusion नथिला, ratchet obligation, auto trigger mechanism नथिला, एई सब reasons कारण रो. But in the agreement within UAE and India, service sector को भी priority दिया जाय छे. Third question was about the TRIPS agreement. TRIPS agreement is related to which international organization? So the answer is World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization ro headquarter hochi Geneva, Switzerland, and TRIPS is for the intellectual property rights. Tari under a GI tag kamo kare, which is in India as well as other countries. Next question hochi. So recently you know that Russia and Ukraine have locked the horns, and Visegrad 4. What is Visegrad 4? So Visegrad 4 is a group of 4 countries जोटा कि NATO group को represent करे. So as you know, in the map गोटे side रे अपन करो from Ukraine, non-NATO member countries are there, and NATO member countries रो last border रे ए 4 countries आसिबे: Poland, Hungary, Czech Republic, and Slovakia. So these are the 4 countries which are Visegrad 4. यांको भितर भी केबे केबे differences थाए. So P2 कहते हैं केबे केबे. However, this was in news recently. Please remember, it is basically a European integration group जोटा कि establish ହେଇଥିଲା to challenge or to counter the influence of communism in their near border. Okay. In the same lines, I asked you the next question, that is 3C initiative. काहाको कहा जाए? So 3C initiative, तीनटा C अच्छे: Arctic Sea, Black Sea, Baltic Sea. and within that there are 12 countries. So this is again a group of European integration within these three sea: Adriatic Sea, your Baltic Sea and Black Sea. Adriatic Sea near Italy, Baltic Sea, Baltic countries upon janati, Black Sea, Turkey, Georgia, Majire. Next question थिला, रिसेंटली गोटे आइलैंड को लेकिन जापान हैज सेड कि या को यूनेस्को साइट कर देवा कथा, साडो आइलैंड. माय क्वेश्चन वाज साडो आइलैंड को जगह अच्छे. सो गाइस you know, after colonization, decolonization process started, and Japan द्वारा जति कि prisoners थिले, कोरिया रो prisoners, they were kept in this island called as the Sado Island. So as per the Japan's perspective, Sado Island रे किछि historic है, तो या को UNESCO site रे रखि देबा कथा. But if you talk about South Korea, South Korea says कि it humanitarian issues अछि, human right violation करा जाय छै, and Korea पई तो it is not a, you know, point of very being very happy. Okay, so they say कि यूनेस्को रे याको पोर्ट करिवार किछि खास रीजंस नाही. So please remember Sado Island कोठी अछि, South Korea. Okay, now moving on to the next question I asked. Reserve Bank of India द्वारा एमते गोटे प्लेटफॉर्म अछि which is helping the MSMEs for their discounting. Now the first question is discounting कौन है. So suppose I am an MSME, I am giving goods to you are a PSU or you are a corporate. तो after a certain billing cycle, let us say 30th of March को आपण मते किछि पैसा देबे जोटा कि मो पाखरे बिल अछि, बट मते 15 मार्च को ही पैसा दरकार पड़ला. व्हाट डू आई डू? सो आई हैव द बिल. जदि मो से बिल को नेकिना कोनसी बैंक रू लोन एडवांस करि पारुछि, this is called as discounting. So I am getting the money that I require, but you have not paid me the money, but I am getting it by showing that bill. So this process is called as discounting. So discounting by MSMEs को एमतिया किछि सिस्टम दिया जाय छै कि by the Reserve Bank of India. Yes, this is TREDS, TREDS. What is TREDS? Trade Receivable Discounting System. यारो बहुत वाहवाही और तारीफ करा जाय छै in the economic survey, budget, everywhere. So this is very very important. Please remember, MSMEs are the growth engine of India. They contribute to 30% of the GDP of India, 48% of the exports, and huge amount of employment of India. Even target अच्छे कि यार जो GDP contribution अच्छे ताको आहुरी बढ़ा जाबो, 50% पाखापाखी करा जाबो. So for the MSME, the TREDS system is there under Reserve Bank of India, right? Last question I asked that India रो एमतिया गोटे नेबरिंग कंट्री अच्छे जे कि भी फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस रे अच्छे, हाइपर इन्फ्लेशन, फूड इन्फ्लेशन, फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी देखा जाउछि. Which is this country? So the correct answer is, guys, Sri Lanka. So friends, Sri Lanka, as you know, shares the maritime boundary with India, and forex reserve कमिजिबा कारण रू सेमाने बे import करिबार अवस्था रे नहंते. What does India learn from it? India should boost the FDI sector, the export sector, so that आम पाखरे forex रो केबे कमी रहबनी. And we have ourselves seen this situation in 1991 in the backdrop of IMF and the balance of payment crisis जोटा कि इंडिया रे देखा जायतिला. So we should boost our exports, FDI को बेसी ध्यान दबा कथा. So these are the questions of yesterday. Congratulations to all those who have done it correctly. Now आजिरो program start करिबा. First question, you know guys, Chernobyl disaster is one of the worst disasters related to nuclear in the world's history. Chernobyl disaster केबे हेतिला. So recently you know that Russia Ukraine भितरे जो conflict चलछि, Russia has tried to invade Chernobyl area. Why? So your Belarus and the Kyiv, which is the capital of Ukraine, यांको भितरे जो river चले Dnieper. So Russia will be at an advantageous position जे तक Chernobyl area टा मिले जाउछि to tackle Ukraine and also to tackle the dispute जोटा कि पाखापाखी country संगरे रहइबो, and it can reach Belarus very nicely if it gets Chernobyl area. So radioactive influence एठी एबे भी अछि. You have to tell me Chernobyl disaster को वर्ष हेतिला. Second question होछि, Lachit Borphukan is a very important freedom fighter from Assam. So in the year 1671, the Battle of Saraighat took place, in which the Lachit Borphukan, they defeated the other party. You have to tell me को दिटा parties भितरे Battle of Saraighat 1671 it took place. Whether Mughals थिले, Delhi Sultanate थिले, Gonds थिले, Ahoms थिले, किए थिले. एंड वन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट नेशनल डिफेन्स एकेडमी रे एव्री ईयर जे बहुत भल परफॉर्म करती से समस्त को लाचित बोरफुकान अवार्ड दिया जाए. सो हेन्स इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फॉर टुडे, ग्लोबल एनवायरमेंट आउटलुक नार गोटे रिपोर्ट किए पब्लिश करती, विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? And this report is published every 2 years, so this is biennially. Question number 4, women represent 49.5% of the Indian population, but work environment ray, are the women safe? To ensure the safety of women in the workplace, there is an act called as the POSH, Prevention of Sexual Harassment in the Workplace, 2013. But wait, 2013. So 1947 to 2013 porjanto, how the women were kept safe? Strange, right? So before the POSH Act, there was another guidelines which is called as Vishaka Guidelines, which was used in the judiciary to in the hearing of women-related crimes. So Vishaka Guidelines को वर्ष introduce करा जाए. Can you tell me? Next question होची, प्रिंटिंग एंड मिंटिंग, सिक्योरिटी प्रिंटिंग एंड मिंटिंग कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, जो कॉइन्स पब्लिश हुए, जो कॉइन्स मिंटिंग हुए एंड नोट्स आर मेड हियर. सो यार जो दिल्ली हेडक्वार्टर अच्छी ताकू प्रोहिबिटेड प्लेस डिक्लेयर करा जाए बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स अंडर ब्रिटिश एरा ऑफिशियल सीक्रेट्स एक्ट OSA. So you have to tell me that Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India works under which ministry, which department? Vyanjan Dwadashi, this is a festival. Vyanjan Dwadashi को state रे observe करा जाता है. It has spiritual domain, it has religious domain इतरे काफ़ी अच्छी. So try to find out Vyanjan Dwadashi को state रा festival. Next question होची. So I will tell you certain terms. Are these terms related to cryptocurrency, digital currency? Is it related to deep web, dark web, hackers? What is it related to? The terms are shadow brokers, log4shell, eternal blue. What are these? Okay, so I hope it is clear. Next question hochi, NATO. Sokale sandhya bole deepare, every time you must be hearing about NATO right now. Where is the headquarter of NATO, friends? And when was NATO established? These two things you have to answer. आज ही टिके बेसिक क्वेश्चंस रहबो बिकॉज कि मु ईद का चांद परेगा किसी टाइम पर्यंत गायब हो जाइतली. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ सम टेक्निकल इश्यूज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची पानरुती कैशूज को स्टेट रो प्रोडक्ट होची पानरुती कैशूज. रिसेंटली याकू GI टैग रे इंक्लूड करिबार कथाबार्ता चलचे. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, as you know, India banking system is governed by the Reserve Bank of India. There are two acts, Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 and the Payment and Settlement Act 2007. ए दीटा एक्ट अनुसार रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया बैंकिंग सिस्टम्स को रेगुलेट करते इन इंडिया. हाउएवर ज्वेलरी सेक्टर, इन दीज सेक्टर्स मनी रो इनफ्लो एंड आउटफ्लो also takes place outside the banking system. So this system is called as Angadiya. Recently police and Angadiya system भितरे किसी clashes आइतला. So Angadiya system को state भितरे काम करे. You have to tell me that in which communities. Next question टी tough अच्छे, try to answer. Black Sea भितरे which are the rivers which dump into the Black Sea? There are multiple rivers here. You have to answer each of the river that is dumping into the Black Sea. This will be very very important geography questions, remember. Then next question होचे, आजकल जो रशिया और यूक्रेन भितर क्राइसिस चले, सो वन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशंस व्हिच कैन एंड द वॉर इज कॉल्ड एज द मिन्स्क अग्रीमेंट. मिन्स्क इज द कैपिटल ऑफ विच कंट्री, जो 2014-15 रे मिन्स्क 1, मिन्स्क 2 अग्रीमेंट करा जाइतिला. मिन्स्क इज द कैपिटल ऑफ विच कंट्री? दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू टेल मी. Then next question होची, national financial switch. National financial switch is the interconnection or the network of what? कहार network रोचे? NFS. Then next question, fleet review. So there is a 600 years old tradition that the head of the state addresses the fleet review. केते वर्ष रे थरे fleet review करा जाए? You have to answer. Next question होची, सो एज यू नो जमती इंडिया पाखरे पाकिस्तान रे गोटे पोर्ट अच्छी ग्वाडर पोर्ट. आ ग्वाडर पोर्ट को चाइना डेवलप करे इंडिया वाज हैविंग प्रॉब्लम विथ इट ऑब्वियसली. सिमिलरली रशिया पाखरे there is the sea of Azov, and sea of Azov pakre Ukraine. So Ukraine ro dita port ache, Ochakiv port and Berdansk port. These two ports were being developed by a country jotru Russia had problem. So को country Ukraine भितरे ए दीटा पोर्ट को डेवलप करुथिले. Please try to answer. Next question is, the first Indian conservation reserve for dugong is going to be set up in the Park Bay Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu. So what is dugong? Dugong is a sea creature which is herbivore just like me, and you have to tell me what is the IUCN status. So basically dugong, these are found only in 4 areas: Andaman Nicobar, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Mannar, Park Bay. तो ए एरिया भितरे ही पाए जाते. So can you tell me what is the IUCN status of dugong? And dugong, you see the reproduction rate is very slow. Per year 5% a rate re semane grow karante. So it is very very important to conserve them. So please tell me what is the IUCN status. So these were all the questions of today. I hope you like the session. And upon ko ASO preparation जोर शोर चलते हो, I think you are preparing like very good. So guys, if you want to join me with daily quiz on GK, English, current affairs, if you want to get the magazines, if you want to get material for all the GS courses, join the Telegram channel Yagya OPSC ASO Prep. एतिरे daily quizzes अपन को मिल जाएगा, MCQs you will get, and the notes relating to each subject also you will be getting. So please join the channel Yagya OPSC ASO Prep Telegram channel. You can connect with me on the Facebook also, Odisha ASO OS Prep. And on Unacademy Plus, I have made all my courses on GS. You can watch them too. And daily rati 10टा बड़को current affairs session Unacademy platform रे free करा जाउचे. So you can attend the current affairs session also. So thank you so much. God bless you. Good night.